guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you just seeing my video for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Oh my god, you guys are so amazing. Oh my goodness. If you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. Okay guys, oh my god, today's video guys, I'm so happy today. You know what, today is my YouTube birthday. Okay, I'm 1 year old on YouTube today since I got monetized. Oh my goodness, you know, actually I got monetized on 28th of April. Oh my goodness. You know, today I'm really happy guys. I must tell you the truth, I'm really happy. You know what I have received from this YouTube, let me put it that way. You know, I'm really so happy today guys. You know what guys, when I told my daughter that I'm going to be celebrating my birthday on YouTube, okay, let me say being 1 year on YouTube, I'm going to be celebrating it, she decided to bake me a cake guys. Let me show the cake to you. Don't laugh because she really did a great job guys. I never expected this, but I'm so happy that she was able to bake something like this for me. Okay, but next, don't worry guys, next time, the 2 years birthday, you know, she's going to bake me a better cake, let me put it like that. Okay, because she don't really have so much thing to do it, but anyway, it's okay. As you can see, you see, she said 1 year, she even put this for me. Oh my goodness, this is really funny, but I really love this cake. You know, Debbie Stevie, you are too good. You know, mommy love you so much. See, YouTube sexy sass, YouTube hashtag, you know, she even did this for me. Oh my goodness. Wait, I must show you guys everything. Okay, so let me remove this. She put this here, 1 year, you see, 1 year on YouTube. The YouTube is in here, you know, on YouTube, you know, 1 year on YouTube. Okay, so I'm so happy guys. I'm really happy because I've achieved so much on this YouTube guys. I must tell you the truth, YouTube is doing a great job on my channel. So happy, you know, to be 1 year on YouTube today is by God grace guys. It's by God grace. If you are coming up like me, I must tell you, don't give up. Okay, keep on pushing, keep on trying. One day, oh my goodness, God will put smile on that your face. Okay, as you can see, you see my channel, I'm just coming up, I'm still trying my best to make sure I am good. Yes, to make sure I achieve my goal guys. That is what I believe. You know, I really love what I am doing, and I'm so happy doing this for myself. You know, I don't really put money first, but if the money is coming, okay, I'm okay with it. So guys, today I'm so happy guys. I'm so happy. I don't know, you know, I can't play a music, but I have a music that doesn't have a copyright guys. So let's play this music to see. Oh my goodness, don't rush. This is the part I love. Don't rush. Okay, don't worry about anything. The way your YouTube is moving right now, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay, continue pushing. I must tell you the truth. Continue pushing. One day, oh my goodness, you are going to remember Sexy Osas. But what you need to do, you need to look for something doing. Okay, you don't have to pick so many things to make video for yourself. Just choose one particular thing, that this is what I'm going to be doing on my channel. You know, that is what you need to do. You know, pick it up. Don't give up. Keep on pushing, no matter what. Even though it's not YouTube, anything you want to do in life, you need to have that courage. You know, encourage yourself. Don't wait for people to encourage you. Don't wait for people to push you. You know, you need to do all those things by yourself. Advise yourself. Sit yourself down. Tell yourself, this is what I want to do. Give yourself a name. Pick a name, give it to yourself, and you see that name will work for you, and everybody will love you for who you are. You don't need to copy people. You don't need to do what people are doing. I don't know how to put the word, you know, but do what you want to do. I've been on YouTube. You know, my YouTube channel was actually created on 2015, you know, coming back, going and coming back, going and coming back. But on a very good day, I decided to stay. Okay, so I decided to stay. I said, no, I have to do this. It's what I want. I want it. I want to show. I want to be showing on the screen. You know, that has always been my dream. Okay, so you need to, if you want to do this for yourself, you need to encourage yourself. You need to believe in yourself. That is very, very important. You know, say, I want to do this. Put everything in God's hand. I want to do this. This is what I want. Trust me, you are going to do it. You know, if you are going somewhere, continue. Just put your face there. I don't know how to put the word, but just keep on going. You don't need to look back. If you look back, you will be discouraged. I'm telling you the truth. Continue pushing. Don't let anybody weigh you down. You know, I don't care what people say about me. I don't care what you think about me. I don't care anything at all. That even though the way I talk, the way I do my things, you don't like it, is your own cup of tea. Trust me. I don't even see you. That is me for you. You know, I've tried so much to make this YouTube channel work for me, but today I'm really, really happy. I don't buy you my hair. You know, there are lots of things I don't buy, guys. They are just coming to my doorstep. If you check my email, oh my goodness, you will know that I'm telling you the truth. Okay, so you need to keep on pushing. Choose one particular thing to be doing on your channel, so that people can come in and ask you to do this for them, to be their brand ambassador. You know, to talk about their business. Take this, do a review about this for me. You need to pick one thing to be doing. You know, I know YouTube is very, very big. There are lots of people here, guys. You know, you need, right now, I must tell you the truth, right now there are lots of competition on YouTube and lots of challenges on YouTube. I'm telling you the truth. I don't really care with all the competition and challenges on YouTube. I don't care. I am Sexy Osas. You know, is me is me. I don't know how to put the word. You are not me. Okay, you can't stop my blessing, and I can't stop yours. Trust me. Just listen to what I'm saying now. If you are making your hair, there are lots of people making their hair on YouTube. There are lots of people cooking on YouTube, you know, doing different kind of thing. You know, trust me, God will surely let people find you. I'm telling you the truth. As you can see, my channel is just coming up, but my email, my Gmail, oh my goodness, is full of messages. Can you do this for me? Can you do this? Do this for me? You know, so keep on pushing, guys. Keep on pushing. So we are going to eat this cake right now. I have to put this, you know, this cake, I must eat it. Today is my YouTube birthday. Okay, so let me put it. All right, as you can see, okay, I have the knife here. All right, so we cut the cake, right? Okay, so at the spelling of YouTube or Sexy Osas, which one is better? Sexy Osas. Okay, she says Sexy Osas. All right, let's go. S E X Y O S A S. Sexy Osan. Woo! Wow! Happy birthday! Happy YouTube birthday! Let me have a taste of this cake. Debbie, thank you. Look at the cake. Oh my God! Debbie, good then. Thank you so much. Okay guys, that is it. Oh my goodness, you guys should keep on pushing. Okay, don't stop, don't be discouraged. Okay, my hot subscribers, trust me, anything you want me Sexy Osas to do for you, just inbox me. You know how we do it. Okay, all right guys, it's so amazing. Oh my God, happy birthday on YouTube, 1 year birthday on YouTube. I'm so happy with so much greatness. Oh my goodness, thank you all for always supporting me. You guys are really so amazing. I love you all so much. Thank you, and bye.